Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because you have to include some protein and carbs so that you can stay full the entire day or until lunch. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very delicious, filling, protein-loaded noodles omelette, which is going to be so yummy and it's going to be very easy and quick to prepare. Because the recipe is going to be super fast, you're going to prep up ahead some fresh ingredients, and we have some onions, carrot, we have assorted peppers and coriander, and also you're going to find a few other ingredients listed in the description box in the right quantity. So we're going to start off by cooking our noodles, and I'm going to place a pot over medium high flame and add in water. The water is already in. So the next step is going to wait for the water to come to a boil, and we're going to be cooking 3 packets of noodles for the recipe. You can double, triple the ingredients to make some more delicious noodles omelets. Once the water comes to a boil, you're going to add in your noodles. Add in a bit of seasoning and a little bit of chili. I'm going to use a spatula to make sure the noodles are fully immersed in the water. And the seasoning is going to add in some nice tasty seasoning to the noodles. Reduce the flames to medium low and let the noodles cook. Once ready, you're going to cover, put out the flames and drain off the water. And this is how your noodles are going to be looking, and as you can see, they're not overcooked. So you're going to wait for around 5 minutes so that the noodles can cool down. Once cooled, you're going to transfer your noodles to a bowl. And as you can see, the noodles are not clumping together. That means that they are not overcooked. So the next step is going to be adding in the rest of the ingredients, and we have some bell peppers, carrots, onion, chopped up smokies. You can also cook some sausages and chop up. Add in some black pepper, just a touch. Add in some more bumbo sauce and chili. You can skip the chili if you're not a fan. Add in a bit more salt to fully season the omelette. That's quite enough. The eggs are going to bind all the ingredients together. So once you cook your omelette, it's going to be looking so good and pretty. And once all the ingredients are fully combined, just like this, you're going to pick a non-stick pan. This is the perfect pan for you because the omelette, it's going to be very easy for you to flip the omelette. So I'm going to place over medium-low flame. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can get hot while I add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can also add in some olive oil. Once the cooking oil is hot, you're going to transfer in use a spoon or a spatula to press down on all the ingredients so that everything can set. Then you're going to be cooking for around 5 minutes. If you're going to be using a smaller pan to cook your omelette, just reduce the amount of ingredients so that everything can fit in. This is an 8-inch non-stick pan. That means that everything is perfect. Cover and let everything cook. This is after 5 minutes and the kitchen has been smelling so nice while the omelette was cooking. So as you can see, once you shake a little bit, the omelette is moving. That means that it's ready to flip. So you're going to use a plate which you're going to place on top, and this is going to enable you to flip the omelette so that we can cook on the other side. Just be careful so that the plate doesn't slip. Wow, just look at that nice golden brown color. So I'm going to place back the omelette on my pan, or in my pan. Shake a little bit. Then I'm going to use my spatula and tuck the ends. Cover and let the other side cook for around 3 minutes. Once it's ready, you're going to put out the flames, and it's looking so gorgeous. So I'm going to add a touch of coriander, which is going to add some nice color on top. You can also throw in some coriander while adding in the rest of the ingredients. I just don't love overcooking my coriander. So now I'm going to place the lid on top to check how the other side is looking. And wow, I absolutely love. So I'm going to be presenting my omelets with this side. Gorgeous. This is how my omelette is looking, and as you can see, the presentation is 100% looking gorgeous. So I have a small piece of my omelette which I'm going to be testing because it's very inviting. The seasoning is perfect. The noodles are well cooked. The veggies are still crunchy, and the sausage is just amazing. So this is a recipe worth trying. I can't wait to have another bite. I've served up my omelette with some ketchup because it's my favorite. You can add in any sauce of choice or any condiment that you have in your kitchen or fridge. So this is a recipe worth trying because it has taken me around 15 minutes including the prep time, and everything has turned out amazing. So once in a while, just make some delicious or something different from the once in a while, just try out making this delicious noodle omelette, and your family will be wowed just how delicious it is.